Yeah. Now, these brothers, some persons may know them, but we're going to list out just a couple of them players from Shakademus and Players, Richie Spice, Spanner Banner. And joining us today is Snatcher Lion. He's one of the younger brothers, because he's a whole heap of him. And he's talking to us about his new album, Great Light.
Yes, yes.
Great Light.
One love,
I love it. I love
same.
it. So with that album name, Snatcher Lion, what does that title mean to you personally? Because it comes from somewhere.
Great Light?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's, there's great expectancy for this reggae music to grow, to develop more. So, enough people talk say reggae dead. Some of us want to know, say, more greatness is there to be seen.
I love that. So with that greatness, my producer actually listened to the album and she's saying that it feels deeply spiritual and uplifting. So what was the inspiration behind doing the album in that way?
Well, I want for sure say it does come naturally, Because I never really just say, boy, I want to make an inspiration album, Because to tell you the truth, this album take about 13 to 14 years to really put together.
Yeah.
See, and it's not one producer produces, a various of producers is on this album, So the inspiration just come through naturality and the love for the music.
Yes, and it come at the right time too.
Well, I better late than never,
When you have brothers like, Richie Spice, Spanner Banner, Pliers, who have influenced reggae music and it sounds so much, how have they, being your older brothers, influenced your own sound?
Well, a lot of, but I listen to them, but I always try to do my own thing. Right? Their works, I really respect them works because it inspire me a lot to push on and go harder.
Yes.
But I never really try to really make a song for sound like Span or Players.
Respect for that, yes.
Or Richie. I just do me. That's why I sing J, you understand?
Yeah.
Straight.
So when Great Light going drop now?
Well, Great Light dropping from the 4th of October gone. And from then we've been doing promotions around it,
right. So you put in a lot of work, it dropped in October, and with the promotions, it just feels really fresh and new. So
it's fresh, man, because real songs never die, because right now you can take up a Bob Marley album and listen it. I listen them and from here down my knee, and them songs still make sense to me. So I them kind of a vibe they try, me see music as still.
Yeah.
I love that.
So everybody is calling, brothers, Players, Spanner Banner, Richie Spice, all of that. What you call it? Because you say Span a while ago.
Well, me just call them by the artist name still.
Simple.
Because me know the struggle where them go through to make a name.
Right.
So when me see them make a name, them can feel accept him and say, boy, Players, because you make your name.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I just say, go stay natural.
They get vexed now, they say, oi.
See, that's in a game, but sometimes, you have to just know if you live in love.
Yeah.
Boy, Snatcher Lion, I love your vibe, right?
Respect.
So we decided we're going to do what we call rapid fire questions.
Yeah.
So we're going to ask you the question, and you answer the first thing that comes to your mind as truthfully as possible,
yes,
okay? You can't emote it. Ready?
I'll try. Yeah.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Wash my face.
Roots reggae or dancehall?
Reggae.
Biggest musical inspiration?
Bob.
Of
Studio
course.
session or live performance?
Live performance.
Favorite Jamaican dish?
Steamed fish.
Vinyl, CD or streaming?
Vinyl.
One artist you'd love to collaborate with?
Many still but
Who that? Who name
let's say right now, Vibes Cartel.
Interesting. Why?
Yes, because why now? That me bring culture.
Yes.
Him bring dancehall. So if you see a culture artist collab with a dancehall artist, we are show the people them say, boy, we are dealing with unity. See, in the music. That's the reason why I do it still.
I love that.
Where can persons find you on social media?
Instagram, Original Snatcher.
Original Snatcher.
Yeah, and TikTok, Snatcher_Lion. Facebook, Glenroy Banner.
Yeah. Let me ask you though, you have Spanner Banner, Players. Why Snatcha Lion?
Well, you see this name here now is an original name I come from my youth, and some little thing I used to do, and little name stuck on me. Me the name Snatcher Dog, you know. But me,
Is it that you stole a dog one time?
well, no, really girls who stole, you know, we not stole animals.
Right, but your name Snatcher, yeah, snatch some. Okay, go on, continue.
Yes. You know, see, so his name never does come up. Me usually as a youth, and I usually like carrots and things. And my mother used to sell at the market, or every Sunday she carrot them missing.
Oh, you used to
Yeah,
snatch.
so, them just caught me on idea.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
in
the
the yard, they can name Bill, and me just come up with one sound, say, Harry one night time, and the sound good. Sing a song with Richie Spice, it not pretty at all, the song it with the sound. And me I continue with the name. So while maturing,
Yes.
we burn off the dog. And
That's
start
right.
dealing with the
Lion.
You understand?
Yeah.
If I take it, they snatch one dog, you know, I name Snatcha Lion now. Hope Zoo now I see it. Hope Zoo see you fast. Where's somebody?
I can't. Okay, so Snatcher Lion is going to stay with us. Okay, we won't snatch him for too long. And when we come back, he's going to be performing. Yes.
Big up Hannah Banana.
Hannah Banana is around there.
Yes, yes.
We can't get VCR from here. Chef will come up later. So when we come back, he's actually going to be performing with the legendary dancer, Shelly Belly. I can finally learn some moves. Daytime Live will be right back. Okay, stick and stay.